welcome back to my channel. Y'all, I've been having so much fun doing these Halloween looks. You know, sometimes I just be thinking about random stuff. Okay, y'all, I'm really excited about this. My daughter is very excited about this because I'm about to recreate one of her favorite characters for Halloween. I'm using some really cute colors. So I'm excited about that. I'm excited about it. This hair is from Toyotress. Y'all know I love me some Toyotress. They have these like boho box braids with the like random strings of hair, the random pieces of hair. I got electric blue, y'all. Okay, you think I'm lying? You think I'm telling you it's blue, okay? Not sad blue, happy blue. So it comes in a pack like this. Y'all know how Toyotress packages it up. You don't have to buy single packs, which is great. So you just get a bundle, and it comes with a crochet hook. And these also came with these little hair jewels. So we got that. 7 packs in this one bundle. Toyotress is very easy to find on social media. Before I vibe out with the music, I'm taking this back to the basics, y'all. We have become so creative in the crochet community with braid patterns and installation rules and regulations, tips and tricks. I'm gonna just take it back, y'all. I'm gonna take it back to when I first started doing crochet braid videos. Wait.
I'll back in through that.
This is the easiest braid pattern for crochet braids. So if you're gonna do a braided base, this is the easiest. And I'm gonna show you that. And we're gonna do one more creative Halloween look. Okay? Let's go.
4 in the morning, you got me up, all cause you need to talk. To 4 in the evening, wanna break up, say that you've had enough. I'm tired of talking, again and again, argue about everything. You are my darling, let's kiss and make up, I know you wanna touch. You call me every night, call me every day, I just wanna get you alone now. Trust me when I say, we gon' be okay, we just gotta boom bada boom ba. I don't wanna fight, you know that I'm right. Baby, let me talk to your body. We gon' be okay, hear me when I say, if you need me, I'm gonna be by your side. If you want me, I'm gonna be there, alright. If you're on me, I'm gonna treat you the right, treat you the right way. If you call me, I'm gonna pick up the phone. If you tell me, I'm gonna meet you alone. If you're on me, I'm gonna treat you the right, treat you the right way. I'm gonna treat you right, treat you right way. I'm gonna treat you right, treat you the right way. I'm gonna treat you right every night. I'm gonna treat you right every day. I'm gonna treat you right, treat you the right way. When we're out dancing, you on my hips, me on your lips, so sweet. Both understanding, when we're a team, nothing can get to me. I'm yours for the taking, every part, all of my heart to get. I don't fear nothing when I'm with you, and baby, when you're with me. You call me every night, call me every day, I just wanna get you alone now. Trust me when I say, we gon' be okay, we just gotta boom bada boom ba. I don't wanna fight, you know that I'm right. Baby, let me talk to your body. We gon' be okay, hear me when I say, if you need me, I'm gonna be by your side. If you want me, I'm gonna be there, alright. If you're on me, I'm gonna treat you the right, treat you the right way. If you call me, I'm gonna pick up the phone. If you tell me, I'm gonna meet you alone. If you're on me, I'm gonna treat you the right, treat you the right way. I'm gonna treat you right, treat you the right way. I'm gonna treat you right, treat you the right way. I'm gonna treat you right every night. I'm gonna treat you right every day. I'm gonna treat you right, treat you the right way. I'm gonna treat you the right way. Treat you, I'm gonna treat you right way, the right way, oh, right way, the right way.